We know there are different life situations which appear before the man, which affects directly or indirectly the mental health of a person. They are social, political, economical, religious, and maybe health, and also the global crisis. All these can be lead to the person to a pathetic situation. To face such problems, he or she may not be able to mentally strong enough. And we know this COVID-19, which we are facing at present, had many problems. The people who lost their dear and near ones, some lost their jobs, some came from other countries for vacation and they were remained in their proper country, they could not go back, and the financial difficulty to face the life, and the people becoming without hope in the life, and they are asking how we have to continue our life. Yes, it's true. And if in this situation they will not have a good or strong mental health, it will be very difficult to live their life in serenity, their personal life and their family life. So, for their well-being, I hope the intervention from the part of the international agencies, the governmental bodies, the non-governmental organizations, and those people, that means well-wishers, please come forward to help these people to get a relief from these situations. We should come out from our selfishness and try to do the justice for the world as one can do. And here I would like to add one Bible word. Psalm chapter 10 verses 14 says, God to see trouble and grief, you consider it to take it in hand. So please don't worry more than enough. And as a resilience, not only the governmental bodies or the international organizations, agencies come forward, but we as a citizen, as a member of the society, we should have the best, we should do our best with care and love to help such people. And we have to be ready to spend our time, our energy, our wealth, and also prepare the young generation to face such problems through a good educational system and with the testimony of the teachers to become the mentally strong students for the future. And a big salute for those who dedicated this October 10th as a day for this mental health, International Mental Health Day. It will sensitize or prioritize the people to remember and to help such people around them. Thanks everybody.